Hi everyone, my name is Oge and welcome to Oge's Place. Okay, so today we are going to be detangling my hair. Oh, as you can see, it's a little rough. So we are going to try to do something about this and detangle it. We are only going to need two things. We're going to need a white tooth comb and our moisture of choice, and in my case it's going to be aloe vera. Okay, so to successfully or accurately detangle your hair, you have to work in sections. Hair is medium density. I don't really need to do too many sections. I usually need about 4 sections to completely detangle my hair. I'm just going to twist this one at the back so that it's out of the way. Again, aloe vera. And the good thing about it is that I find that I don't really need too much. This usually suffices for detangling a section for me. So to get that in there, get it in. Now, time for the comb to shine. When detangling, you always want to start from the bottom, from the ends of your hair, never from the beginning. You're going to hate yourself actually. It's quite painful as well, and you're going to cut your hair. So ends of the hair it is, and you walk your way up. Do you see how it's moving through? Yeah, detangled. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is done. Okay, so now that we have enough gel in the hair, I'm going to go in with the white tooth comb. Okay, so we're done here, and now we're moving on to this side.
Going to comb it all together. I don't so fair. I want to do little.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.